Hi, my name is VJ, and this is my story. I love to travel and I often go on short trips with my friends and family. The lockdown period was tough as we couldn't go out for about 6 months.
Breaking news. A big relief to the public. The lockdown has been lifted.
Finally, when it was lifted, it came as a big relief for travel enthusiasts like us. And I decided to take my family out on a short drive. We were having a great time traveling, but then all of a sudden, vehicles stopped and failed to start again. I didn't have much knowledge about what happens under the hood, so I started panicking. What do I do now? Do I need to cancel my trip? How will I take it to workshop? All sorts of questions popped up in my mind. I took a deep breath and started Googling for garages near me. After browsing through a few websites, something caught my attention. Service at your location. The info on this website was transparent and their process looked hassle-free. That's when I called Beyondgarage and booked a service. A technician reached my location to put me out of my misery within 30 minutes. Pretty cool, right? The technician diagnosed my vehicle and, to my surprise, gave a detailed report of the services required on my vehicle. I chose the ones that were necessary, less time taking and within my budget at that point in time. Once I was done choosing the services, he helped me understand what I was paying for. This was indeed convenient, just as they promised. The technician was very professional and started his work based on my approval. The fact that they use only OEM recommended parts was very impressive, as it ensures quality and maintains the warranty. The technician did not ask me for any advance payment and did a fantastic job on my vehicle. He then asked me to do a test drive to ensure that everything was up to my satisfaction. The service was perfect and the cost was affordable. That's exactly why now I trust and recommend Beyondgarage. My family and I were very happy that we could continue our trip. Gone are the days when you wait at the garage and feel clueless. Gone are the days when your car servicing puts a dent in your pocket. Now it's your time to shine. Beyondgarage, think beyond.